Miles across the world, top of line beauty girl. She gon' slay cause she KturaKayMUA, KturaKay.
So this is Costa Rica. They have the airplane room and they have other rooms and stuff too. So it's raining, so I'll talk to y'all later. Cockpit. Trying out another restaurant. It's called Cuba Libre. again?
Mud pie something? Some kind of pie.
Right by the water. So good. Some ceviche. We're going to the pool. Okay, so cute. Okay.
I know. That's.
Are we gonna do pizza? Yeah. Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna find out where it is. Make sure
Cool.
and all that. Okay.
Wow. Is this thing shaking?
No.
Oh. Oh, we just came to check out the pool. Just threw something on so we can see how it's looking. And this is the view. Like, granted, like, where are we right now? But yeah, we met some girls. I was over here twerking and stuff. They was like, hey. Brandon got the video. But they were nice. They was like, your outfit cute. Y'all, look what I got on. Shein got this bathing suit. She's talking about, I like it. I like girls that drop when they get their stuff. Listen, I'm not stingy. I'm not. They were nice. She be having some good stuff though for the low. But look at this view. But y'all, please let me know what other information y'all want to know about Costa Rica. I'm actually going to be doing a second video with all the information. So yes, I want it to be informative and I want it to be very descriptive. So stay tuned and stay along for the ride. Another airplane. This is actually a restaurant, so it's called El Avion, and hopefully the food is good. I'm waiting on it now, so I wanted to explore a little bit, and this is what the main plane looks like. So as you can see here, it's like a bar area, and this is the front. It goes outside a little bit right where I was. Eche, bussin'. That's all I'm getting. Oh my gosh.
What?
This thing tastes so good.
What is that?
You want to taste it?
What is it?
My peachy mango liquor.
Yeah, I want to taste it.
You know, some people do that to get other people drink.
There's something to it. It's something to taste that.
You want to taste it?
Sure.
You don't drink liquor. Use this one. Cold. I just thought about what people do. They do this. You know how I do it. Yeah, I forgot about it. Should have let you do that instead of putting your mouth on my thing.
I like that more than what I
know.
Yeah.
It's good.
Oh, I'm about to switch.
It's called a peachy mango. I wonder if they can add something to it, but probably. Ooh, this is a peachy mango. It's so good. Really, really, really good. The best drink I've had since I've been here. They got another linguine with mushrooms, stir-fried rice with vegetables, the drinks. This is what I got right here. the history. Brandon food good too. That rice is hit. Your stomach hurt? You don't want no more pasta?
Get some. Yeah.
That rice is good. I'm sorry, but it's the best.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You guys see that sauce?
Oh yeah, this is stuff. Suavemente. Good morning, guys. Today we're going horseback riding, so I'm super excited. What else are we gonna do? Then we're moving to another hotel in another area, so you all will see that as well. I really love it. A monkey ran across the balcony earlier today, but yeah, I caught the last little minute of it because it caught me off guard. I'm like, oh my gosh. But yeah, so I'm excited about today. Every day is a new adventure, so that's what I love about Costa Rica. Everything is so diverse, everything is so different. So yeah, that's what it's given. Okay, this room is a little, well, the hotel itself is a little dated, but that's what makes it an experience. I really like it. Like, look at this. These are like Grey Goose bottles. Look. Oh wait, I unplugged it. See that? Grey Goose bottles. That's so unique, so different. Cute. See that? One up there. It's a little kitchen back there, whatever. But you know, real cozy. Like TV, and then everywhere around the sides got a little hammock out there. I was laying in that earlier, well, yesterday. And look at that, all jungle. So dope. Oh yeah. So yes, see y'all. Horseback riding. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all along with me. So let me know what y'all think down below. If y'all want to see more travel vlogs, definitely let me know. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Alright, we're going horseback riding now. Good morning. So we just stopped here for a quick little, not even a break because we just started the trip, but to get waters and stuff like that. So this is the bus. We switched buses, and we're here. They have their own like supermarket and stuff like that. And yeah, so we're getting breakfast now. I ordered some pancakes. It sounds so good. Let's see. This is what I ordered. Yeah. What you got?
Pancakes.
Oh, you got pancakes? Those pancakes sound good.
You ordered pancakes?
Yeah. Yeah, I told her. Sound good. I love pancakes. I love pancakes. Really?
Bunny?
A bunny?
Yeah, it was a bunny over here. Audio.
My dad used to have bunnies. Had like 10 of them.
Yeah, this is the name is Oreo.
Audio.
Yeah.
Okay.
And rabbit.
Bunny. Oh, I see chicken, turkeys,
Turkey.
and chicken.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And rabbit over here.
More rabbit.
Change the rabbit and the rabbit is the same.
Billy goats. Hi.
But the horse is very fast. It's very active. They wanna all the time wanna go fast. But in this moment, I'm Chucky.
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 Chucky, okay.
So Chucky, Lucho, and Chucky. That's one. Chocolate. Chocolate. Yeah.
Of the princess.
Uh-oh. Okay, Brent. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Where? Where?
Oye, ma, está bonito ese grande.
So dope. Yes, you hear the waterfalls. Beautiful. Look at that. You feel like joking? You're such a sweet girl.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you
taking a quick break. We made it to the waterfall. Yeah, so then we're gonna head back, and this tour also includes lunch, so that's a plus. Who does not like to eat? So that's great. So I will probably see y'all back. We'll ride a little bit more